create an account on Quizlet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account on Quizlet. So to do that, first of all, download the Quizlet app on either your iPhone from your App Store or your Android device from your Play Store. Now, once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now your interface will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically create an account by one of these three options right over here. So you can either create an account using your Google account, your Apple account, or you can also sign in using your email address. So for now, I'll simply open an account using my Apple account and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to select your birth date. So let me simply enter mine. After that, you'll have to select whether you are a teacher or not. So if you're a teacher, tap on the option yes, but if you're not, simply tap on the option no and then tap on the option sign up. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create an account on Quizlet. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.